This one's going to be simple traffic stop leads to the discovery of a body. It is 31 minutes. Not likely that we watch the whole thing. I'm going to skip around.
On July 23, 2022, officer initiated a traffic stop in response to reports of a car driving erratically and being illegally parked. Upon the officer's arrival, a man exited the driver's seat and immediately confessed to being drunk.
Really? Wow. Speed run the traffic stop of a DUI. Holy.
Unfolded that night was devastating.
You okay?
Yes, sir. I'm drunk.
What happened, bro?
Take a seat.
I don't understand why they don't just like right now, detain him, put him in the car. Like, why sit on the why?
6'4", driver's covered in blood. Looks like it's gonna be a signal 3.
10-4, you need rescue?
10-4. Yo, get off the phone. Hang up the phone.
Conscious alert, sir.
10-4. You alright, man?
Copy 10-50 on the boulevard.
I get that, but your face is all bloody, your arms are bloody.
Bro, all the more reason to just detain him right now while he's still really drunk and compliant.
Cash.
Okay.
Out of Florida, Lima, Zulu, Juliet, Mike 87. Lima, Zulu, Juliet, Mike 87. Silver, Chevy.
What, God? You God? Okay.
He's saying he's God? Throwing up gang signs? Or something, throwing up something. Not a clue. I'm gonna skip a little.
Yeah, let's go to that sun that be hot. Yeah. I don't care. I don't care. Yeah, when your ass get there, you ain't gonna give a f. I don't give a f. I don't give a f. I do not give a f.
Yeah, see, I feel like at this point, it's more dangerous to detain him. So I feel like they're gonna have a harder time putting him in cuffs now. He didn't even turn the car off either. I'm just gonna leave him right there. Is there another officer? Yeah. Okay, he's just looking around. Nothing to see.
Gang, bang, fuck y'all.
Oh yeah, he jumped out of the car and said, I'm drunk.
Blood, crip.
I don't think we're gonna get anything out of him.
Like, put him in cuffs. There's like a chick's bag.
Whose car are you driving?
I don't know who the f car I'm driving.
There's a purse in the back seat.
I know, so. Lipstick in the front seat.
God. I'm God. I'm here in the flesh. I don't give a f. None of y'all. None of y'all.
I think he's on some real strong stuff here. Got some paramedics looking at him, just staring. Dude, solid 2 minutes, all they're doing. Look at this, staring.
You might well. I don't give a f.
Okay, he does not give a fuck.
I hate y'all. I hate y'all. I hate y'all.
It's kind of rude.
Y'all. See that thing up there? See that shit up there? Y'all can never get to that.
Sarge, what are you thinking? I mean, we're not doing SFSTs on them.
Take him on it. Do you have anything else?
He's still just yelling back there. He's just screaming.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do here?
Oh yeah.
Because you can articulate very
No, yeah. 10-15 will I do. I don't see any
Oh,
down.
my bad.
10-15 will I do right afterwards.
Okay, go ahead and sit up, please.
Sit up.
Please sit up. Yeah, okay, we'll stand up.
Get my hat. We'll get your hat. We'll get your hat. We'll get your hat. We'll get your hat.
I'm the ball.
Okay.
I'm the ball.
Quickly. And nice.
Okay.
Take me to
Dude, no issue at all.
I ain't down.
All right. I didn't
Dollar I just pulled out of his pocket. It's covered in blood too. He's got a woman's earring in his pocket.
Whose car is this?
She lives at Ocean Walk.
So
Dude, wasn't there, hold on, wasn't there, I remember a call for a male and a female in a fight? it's kind of hard to tell.
Broken skin, but it's all over his face, and there's no cut on his face.
What began as a routine traffic stop quickly escalated into a
Yeah,
much
he
more
definitely
serious
killed that lady.
situation. Based on the evidence found at the scene,
That's horrible.
officers conducted a welfare check.
Hello.
Yeah, the police. We don't care about the weed.
The police department, we don't care about the weed, we just want to talk to you.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing? Good, good,
Well,
good.
sir. We're looking for a... She lives...
She's not here now.
Does she live
Because
here?
they moving out.
Does she live here right now, currently, though? Like, she's moving out. Has she already moved out, or does she still
She
live here?
already moved out.
Where does she live, sir?
Oh,
I don't know where she live now.
Let me ask you, do you know Delmont, Washington?
it sounds like he knows both the lady and the guy is dating another daughter of his, supposedly, right? So that's as far as we've gotten. They take forever to get it out of him because he's a little bit older.
Excuse me, officer. Is that a problem?
No.
Kinda.
They
We're looking
down with my city court.
He said, kinda. You don't know, dude. Actually, yeah, there is.
Man and told them something.
That's
No.
not the case at all.
That's not the
That's
case.
not even
What's
remotely
going on?
close to
I'm
what
on
the
the
case
list
is.
here. This is my apartment. What's going on? You can
Okay.
tell me. You can talk to me. This is my grandpa.
Okay. So who are you? Your brother?
No,
Jamil?
it's not me.
His husband. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh,
So
Does
she
she
want
stay
to know if
Bro, why is he trying to interpret? This is not gonna work.
this is our last day here. We're moving out. You know
and
what I'm
clean
saying?
it up,
Okay.
Right.
No problem.
Everybody was here. Was cleaning
help
out.
her
You know
out,
what I'm
get
saying?
the clean up.
Everybody
the
has it, like, was Delmont and
I don't know what they're saying. I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna skip it and we're get him by himself.
what's wrong with the car?
Oh, okay. No, but you said you got him, right? So
Well,
you
like I
got
said,
him,
there's aspects to this that we can't discuss with you because it's still an ongoing thing. Like I said, what we're doing is a welfare check and making sure that these people are okay.
Right.
That's it. That's all we're doing.
No, but yeah, a couple minutes ago, so I know.
Okay.
I don't know about.
almost said and Tyree driving the car, right?
Right. Yeah.
Who's Tyree?
Like
Oh, I understand that.
down to Washington beat up
Yes, I
8
heard.
years.
Yes. I heard.
So.
Yeah, man, he's screaming at the top of his lungs. And we're in a apartment, and it's like bouncing off the walls. Holy.
That's where the
some
female
action.
might be located. Although they had no luck at the first location, they eventually found her 2 hours later. What they discovered was devastating.
They took her to the hospital?
No, ma'am.
She's still in there?
We had to wait for detectives now.
I'm right here looking at her feet.
So she passed away. So what they say?
We're waiting on the detectives to investigate it further on the cause and everything.
I see her face. You recognize her? Like,
You seen her face?
Are you the one that found her, ma'am?
yeah. So
Okay.
They said they didn't find her, and they told me about her boyfriend, and he
Yeah.
got arrested and that. So
Oh, that's why she's like all kind of frazzled because she found the body. So that's okay. I was wondering why she was like so not good at communicating at the moment, and it's just because she's having a traumatic response.
yeah, I was like, am I gonna save her? I don't know.
Unfortunately, officials pronounced her dead at the scene after a failed attempt to revive her. The woman had suffered severe trauma to her face and body inflicted by the man. Security footage from a nearby business showed the man and the woman arriving at the residence earlier that night. Later, the footage captured the man disposing of a large object and some clothing before leaving in the same vehicle that was stopped earlier. The man was charged with multiple offenses, including resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, disturbing the peace.
Yeah, and obviously murder, bro. Yeah, he's going away for life. That's for sure. Oh man, that one was kind of long-winded. It had not edited very well either, so I'm gonna cut around that quite a bit. But wow, wow. I wonder what that guy was on. They didn't even like conclusively find anything about it. Like what kind of drugs was he on? It wasn't just alcohol. No way. And it was chanting, "Check the trunk." Yeah, didn't do a very good investigation there, I feel like. Exactly, bro. Guy covered in blood and screaming, killing everyone, and you don't cuff him? Bro. That's the craziest part to me. They didn't cuff him, like, immediately. Okay.
I paid.
We're on a police release marathon here, guys. So next one's going to be entitled 20-year-old thinks he can bully the police without consequences.